Hello and welcome. Today I am going to start our series of GRE vocabulary for success in CSS, PMS, PCS and other competitive exams. But before starting the vocabulary, it is important to know that what is importance of vocabulary in making success in CSS, PMS and other competitive exams, and what are the tips for memorizing and understanding the vocabulary in better way. So let's see. It is a big question. Everybody must ponder over it, that why vocabulary is important. Almost every word maintains a personality. It feels, it acts and reacts, breathes and grows. It stimulates a thought process and adjusts itself in that process accordingly. Knowing words are promised to think multidimensionally, to write effectively, to read critically, and to speak properly. Now, think for a moment that everybody wants to think multidimensionally. Everybody wants to write effectively. Everybody wants to read critically, and everybody wants to speak fluently, properly, correctly. But nobody pays attention to the to improving his or her vocabulary. So therefore, if thinking multidimensionally is not possible without enhancing your vocabulary, writing effectively is not important without enhancing your vocabulary. Similarly, you cannot bifurcate and differentiate between good and bad material, between good and bad books, between authentic and unauthentic resources of knowledge, and of course you cannot speak properly until and unless you have a huge reservoirs of the vocabulary. Moreover, for the students, especially the non-native ones, memorizing vocabulary has been a challenge. But if once a mind marries a word, it becomes an image. Now pause here and try to understand. When I say tree, when I say a book, when I say a table, when I say a microphone, a laptop, or anything, when I utter these words from my tongue, so instantly their image comes in my mind. How it is happening? Or whenever you call the name of your best friend, for example, Rashid, Jamshed, when I call these names, instantly the image of Rashid, image of Jamshed comes in my mind. It is happening because my mind married with these words. So the same is the case with the GRE vocabulary or the down vocabulary or any vocabulary, English vocabulary you are learning in your daily routines, in your daily readings, in your daily meetings. So therefore, if a word is looking attractive, or you are saying that I must make this word part of my permanent memory, so try to memorize it again and again until and unless it become your part of a permanent memory. So but once a mind marries a word, it becomes an image permanent and become a significant contributor in effective writing. So effective writing is almost unthinkable without improving vocabulary. And of course, those who are CSS aspirant, they face the difficulty of synonym, antonyms, and analogy in their subject of prescient composition. The 2021 paper of composition, their synonym and antonyms were very difficult to handle. So if your vocabulary is rich, you can deal synonyms, antonyms, and analogy without difficulty. Therefore, vocabulary is very important. To move on, This video series of GRE is a memory aid. It simplifies and explains words for you. Now, the very hard work is done on these GRE video series. You will find here antonyms, synonyms, and even sentence with every word which teach proper use of the word. Sentences are given in a proper way, their correct usage is given, and the sources which are consulted in preparation of these videos are authentic and reliable. Hafiz Karimdad Chughai's book, who is a CSP officer, is consulted in the preparation of this video series. Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary is consulted in the preparation of these videos, and the thesaurus for the synonym and antonyms of Oxford is consulted in the preparation of these videos. So these are very authentic videos. You can rely on them, and you can learn number of words from these videos. Tips for memorizing vocabulary. Very interesting portion. Everybody is interested in knowing it. So let's see what are the tips for memorizing and what are the loopholes in the way of understanding the vocabulary or memorizing the vocabulary. If you believe you can memorize vocabulary through understanding it, I think you should rethink this idea, this notion. The reason is thinking occurs in conscious mind. When you think, when you say, when you see, when you smell, means anything you are doing with your five senses, it is occurring in your conscious mind. However, subconscious mind can retain memory. You can understand this concept of conscious and subconscious mind like a RAM and ROM. Random access memory is a conscious mind. It does not retain any data, and when the computer is switched off, you cannot recover that data. However, the subconscious mind, which is a permanent part of memory, random access memory, ROM. So it works like a hard disk. You can recover data whenever you need. You can command it and it will provide you the desired word, the desired vocabulary. So therefore, break the myths about cramming, memorizing. You are cave-in. If you believe that memorizing or reading again and again is not a suitable way, yes, it is. Because it is a very famous saying, man becomes what he does repeatedly. We are all the products of our actions which we do repeatedly on daily basis. Now the next step is timing of memorizing or repeating. It varies person to person. Some individuals are like reading in day, however some are night owl. Therefore find your best timing according to your suitability. I can read and I can study effectively in day, so I adopted I chose the timing for the memorizing vocabulary in day. If you like reading in night, so go for it. You can read in night as well. You can memorize words in the night as well. The highly recommended way of making vocabulary the part of your permanent memory is flashcards. Use front side of flashcard for word. Write its meaning and sentence in the back. Try to make the target of 10 words a day. Read these words 15 minutes in morning, evening and at night, or whatever time suits you. So through this process, maybe you will be able one day when you do this practice, you will be able to memorize 2 words. So separate these 2 words from this aid words from these 10 words and add 2 more words in these remaining 8 words. So by this process, gradually and slowly, one day you will be able, I think in the practice of 1 month, you will be able that you will find no difficulty in memorizing 10 words a day. Furthermore, if you are familiar with technology like YouTube, Google, or other things, you are very, these are very handy for you. So see the videos of GRE and memorize as you please, or any other method which are related to technology or modern tools, you can utilize it. Or there are apps as well. So try to adopt these modern tools and try to enrich your vocabulary. So thank you, hope you enjoyed the video.